这里头都刚么可不个叫都持续到路的球迷干呢，都用 opening 个，我们都人弄到这啥事都到这都刚么可不个叫呢？但是人弄到这啥事呢都行，特别是不係啲tư要做chính rồi要做vì thế nó ước thiết tao chỉ họ kể lời sẽ nhớ cho họ YouTube lần chùa thiết kia cho tụi cá mốc của cái chỗ nó ước tao muốn đâu cho lầu thiết cho lùa còn là từ ón gây lửa cho tụi cá mốc của cái chỗ cái ý của cái chỗ chạy tao đi chả.
The first question, what does COVID-19 stand for?
Whoa. Oh my God. Coronavirus.
Of? You missed the 19 part. What's the
Coronavirus of 19?
Because it started in 2019, it was discovered in 2019.
Right, and that's why coronavirus. Yeah.
So that's $10.
What?
COVID-19 doesn't stand for. It happened in 2019.
So that's what the 19 stands for, 2019. What does COVID stand for? Coronavirus, then what does D stand for? Almost there. DZ. Put it all together, what does COVID-19?
Virus disease 2019.
Perfect! Alright, so, first question, what does COVID-19 stand for?
Corona.
Corona, that's the cold. What does the D stand for?
Disease.
Disease. Corona, there's also D.
Virus.
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus disease 2019.
Perfect, so that's $10.
Yay! High five!
Coronavirus disease. Oh, 2019. That's COVID-19. Here we go. Good guess, good guess.
Cái mua bị chơi cũng chua thì thấy tụi cá mốc của cái chỗ nhớ trong lúc tết chơi mình cả nó thiết là chọn bề hồ lý chả.
Besides Pfizer, name another vaccine.
Wait, instead of Pfizer?
Yeah, name another vaccine.
Oh, I know it. I know it, but I forgot the name.
Yeah, Omicron virus, not the vaccine though.
I know what
It starts with an M.
I know one of them, but I forgot the name.
No idea?
No.
Alright.
Yeah, we just said it earlier. Pfizer.
Alright, I'll give you an extra $10. You can tell me the trade name of Pfizer vaccine.
Oh my gosh, I can't read the trade name of Pfizer.
Pfizer's the company that makes the vaccine. What do they call it?
Oh, I don't know this.